Lockheed Martin Missiles and Fire Control has landed a monumental deal from the U.S. Army Contracting Command at Redstone Arsenal, securing a flexible delivery contract worth up to $4.9 billion. This agreement kicks off with an initial order for 400 Precision Strike Missile, PrSM, Increment 1 systems, a pivotal move to elevate the Army's long-distance precision strike arsenal. The PrSM initiative is at the heart of the Army's push to move beyond the outdated MGM-140 ATACMS, a system that has reached the end of its evolutionary path. Lockheed Martin, appointed in 2016 as the lead contractor, was tasked with developing a more capable missile solution, combining extended range, enhanced targeting precision, and improved destructive force. After the program's first live-fire success in December 2019 at White Sands Missile Range, the system has gone through multiple successful test launches, including a dual missile firing from HIMARS in early 2025 and a maritime target strike in the Pacific in 2024, proving its versatility across domains. Engineered for maximum battlefield impact, the PrSM Increment 1 is designed to neutralize an array of enemy assets, from air defenses and mobile rocket platforms to fortified command centers. Its warhead features an insensitive munition payload, striking a balance between operational safety and raw power. Navigational accuracy is ensured through a hybrid system utilizing both inertial and satellite guidance, making the missile reliable even when GPS signals are compromised. From a technical standpoint, the missile measures around 4 meters in length and has a 430 millimeters diameter. One of its standout improvements lies in its launcher compatibility. Both the M270M LRS and M142 HIMARS can now deploy 2 PrSMs per pod, effectively doubling their capacity compared to the single ATACMS configuration. This dramatically increases the volume and frequency of strikes possible in combat scenarios. A key evolution of the PrSM system is its impressive range. While the older ATACMS maxed out at about 300 kilometers, the new missile surpasses the 500-kilometer mark, with future variants potentially stretching that range to nearly 1,000 kilometers. This expansion allows commanders to target distant threats without exposing frontline units to unnecessary risk. The PrSM program stands as a core component of the Army's long-range precision fires modernization plan, aimed at maintaining superiority against major global threats. It's built not only to deliver more powerful strikes but to adapt to modern, multi-domain warfare environments shaped by recent global conflicts. The PrSM system saw its first operational handover in late 2023 and is expected to reach full combat readiness by 2025. The transition from ATACMS to PrSM marks a leap forward in the Army's firepower and strategic agility. Lockheed Martin's new multi-billion-dollar deal solidifies its pivotal role in the future of U.S. military operations. With this investment, the Army reinforces its commitment to cutting-edge strike capabilities, ensuring it remains ready to dominate the battlefield, now and into the future.